Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create realistic royalty-free music tracks in just a few clicks.
Soft shadows dance on the wall, whispers flow through empty halls, dreams drip slowly like the rain, time dissolves away the pain, lost beneath the afternoon, breezes carry notes and...
Today, I'm introducing Tempolar, an AI music tool that lets you generate royalty-free music from text, photos, or videos. An incredibly powerful AI music generation platform that makes it super simple to create, customize, and download music tailored specifically for your content. Whether you're a YouTuber, a filmmaker, or a content creator, this tool helps you produce high-quality, copyright-safe audio fast and hassle-free. One of the best parts, Tempolar is completely royalty-free. And if you upgrade to their Pro or Ultra plan, you can even download official usage certificates, perfect if you're a professional or posting content on monetized channels. So let's dive in. Once you sign up using the link in the description, you'll land on a clean and intuitive dashboard. At the top, you'll see a search bar where you can explore a massive library of over 200,000 royalty-free tracks. You can also use filters to narrow down by genre, mood, tempo, instruments, and more to find the perfect soundtrack. First, let's explore the library search feature. Here, you can try out thousands of pre-made music tracks, sorted by categories and filters. It's great for quickly finding usable background music. But now comes the real game changer, a feature called Rzona. With Rzona, Tempolar can automatically generate music that fits your video scenes. No manual editing, no syncing headaches, just smart music creation that aligns with your visuals. Here's how it works. Click on the Rzona tab, then upload your video. Once uploaded, just click Get Started. Tempolar will analyze the video and generate a soundtrack that matches the mood and pace. And just like that, the music is added and it syncs perfectly with the visuals. No editing needed. It's seriously that easy. On the left side, you'll also find a panel called Soundtrack Solutions. This is where you can make additional tweaks to the generated audio and further refine the final result. Now let's move on to creating your own custom music using AI. It's super simple. All you need to do is enter a mood or idea into the prompt box. For example, type chill lo-fi beat and click Generate. Within seconds, Tempolar will create music tracks that match your description.
Street lamps, some gentle light, pages turn in the quiet room, fading stars dispel the gloom, footsteps soft along the stone, whispers flow where dreams have flown, coffee warm tender grace, shadows dance in empty space, autos hum from worn out tracks, heartbeats.
Here you can see the results.
He wakes but stays polite, soft shadows dance on the wall, whispers flow through empty halls, dreams drip slowly like the rain, time dissolves away the pain, lost beneath the afternoon, breezes carry notes and...
Two beautifully crafted tracks based on the prompt. If you want to get the commercial license, go to any song you generated and click the three-dot sign on the right. Select Get License from the drop-down menu and get the certificate. This ensures all music can be legally and commercially used across all major platforms such as YouTube and TikTok. You can play them, like them, download them, or add them to your playlist. On the left, there's also a music editing panel. Here, you can fine-tune your creation even more. After entering your prompt, you'll also unlock advanced settings. For example, enable MIDI rendering. Use Start modifier to guide how the track progresses. Add lyrics, either automatically or by pasting your custom lyrics. Now here's where it gets exciting. Voice selection and voice cloning. You can choose from a variety of virtual singer voices to bring your song to life.
Your marks were all in my mind, looking forward to me.
Oh, the rhythm its way, shadows play in the smoky jazz haven.
But if you want to go a step further, you can even use your own voice using the voice cloning feature and hit create.
Shadows flicker on the grand screen. Whispers trace the silent sea. Moments caught in twilight's fall. Stories rise and gently fall across the.
You can even use your own voice using the voice cloning feature. Here's how. Click on voice cloning. Upload a short voice recording or record one directly in the platform. After uploading, hit next. Tempolar will process your voice and save it. Now you can select your own cloned voice, enter your music idea, and hit create. Within moments, you'll have a personalized song sung in your own voice.
All across the silver screen, whispers dance the dance in twilight's gleam. Dreams unravel in the pouring rain.
It's an incredible way to make your music truly yours. Tempolar also includes some powerful tools like instrumentals, workstation, and stamp splitter. In the instrumental section, you can create music based on either a video or an image. Just upload the media, and Tempolar will generate background music that matches it. For instance, I uploaded a video. Clicked Generate Music, and it automatically created a soundtrack that fits the scene. The same thing works with images. Another awesome tool is the stamp splitter. This allows you to upload a song and split it into individual elements like vocals, drums, bass, and more. It's perfect for remixing, editing, or audio mastering. Just upload your track, let Tempolar process it, and you'll get all the separate stems ready to download. So, as you've seen, Tempolar makes it easy to create music, even for free. And the best part is, it's all 100% copyright free. If you go for the Pro version, you can also download official usage certificates and use your tracks safely on YouTube and other platforms. The link is in the description. Go check out Tempolar.com and start making your own AI-generated music today. That's it for today's video. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.